Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one from the Outre. Alright, so I am back with a Outre melted hairline lace front wig, and we have Zandra. You know we gotta try all the wigs with all the Z's. So we coming through with Zandra today, guys. Now Zandra is a beautiful side part bob. Okay. Don't judge my nails. I gotta braid my man here. So Zandra's a side part bob. She has a deluxe wide lace part and it's 2x5. So let's get into her and see what she's looking like. To Zandra. Zandra has 2 combs in the front, okay? 1 comb in the back. She has adjustable straps. Wakanda Forever. And you know we love our adjustable band. Or excuse me, our band. This just helps to secure our unit. But look at the parting space. Look at that. That's really beautiful. You can see my fingers through that. Okay. And then this is the lace. So you have ear-to-ear lace and then that 2x5 parting space right here.
So let's get on into Miss Outre Zandra. So Outre has provided us with a synthetic melted hairline unit, and we are here for it. Okay, so this unit is currently going for just under $40 on most wig sites. She is really beautiful. Now I'm going through and tinting my lace with my Ibn tint lace tint, and I'm just doing small bursts just to get this all the way darkened up. And I'm just going through with my makeup brush and just making sure that I make it more seamless so it's not really spotty. Now, I only did this because the lace is transparent, but for me, it looks white. And on my skin, it looked white. So I just wanted to make sure we darkened it up, give her a better and more natural look. Now, this hair is really nice. She did not tangle. She did not shed. I really enjoyed the lace on this. You're buying this for primarily the lace, but because it is just such an easy unit. Like, if you are looking for something that doesn't require a lot from you, this is what you need to do. And I am impressed by that. Like, even for the price point, I find it very cool that this didn't require a lot of my energy. Okay. So let's get on into styling her down.
Tell the kids what you want. What you want from us? The coins, Outre? You know what they said? They said melt the hairline, honey. Because that's all scalp. Melt her. Do whatever you need to do to feel like you got on that this is your hair, okay? Because we did everything. We provided you everything except a brand new head, okay? Mother came through with scalp, hairline, hair. What do Outre want from us, y'all? Besides our money. I really, first of all, this melted hairline ain't no joke, okay? This actual collection is really fire. We knew that, though, because we've tried quite a few of their sisters. But this one, I love a good vibe. Mother is providing. Come on. Come on, get into these earrings, too. Come on. Y'all, I ain't even glue her down, because why? That's how good this hairline is. It melted, and it's not even glued down. Like, she's not at all glued down. I'm throwing her behind my ear. I am giving scalp. Get into that. What do y'all want from me? I feel like, is this what Tyrese felt like? Is this it? Is this how he felt, y'all? Y'all, this hair is so cute. I cannot get over that. Just one piece of hair just don't want me to be happy. I really didn't want to glue her down because I'm lazy. And that's just keeping it 100. But that's how bomb this unit is. She's a lazy girl wig. Bust up on her. Mother's not glued down. I really like the energy that she's giving. The hairline on this is stunning. Like, I really cannot. The unit is very big head friendly. So all my big head girls, she's the one. I have her kind of forever in the back because I got a small head, but I have my band on, and I feel safe and secure in her. Mother's not going anywhere. We can jump on the ride with this one, okay? You know what I mean? We can be bust back on them. I really do want you guys to check out the melted hairline collection. I really do like it. I like the texture of this hair. It's kind of like a yaki texture. And I'm really into that. It looks very natural. It's not very shiny at all. Like, I wouldn't put anything on her. I didn't have to do anything but put her on my head. And that is very, very fascinating to me. And sometimes I definitely had to darken up the lace, but that's because I'm a brown girl. And, you know, sometimes you got to do some things. But other than that, she provides scalp. Scalp, she provides scalp. Okay, she came through and gave us everything we needed. And I really do think that this melted hairline collection is just... Why I gotta be this easy, y'all? I don't know what more you want these people to do with these wigs. They doing everything but coming and throwing it on your daggone head, the daggone self. Okay, so run around wherever you going. Okay, look up Outre and grab Zandra. I don't even know who Zandra is, but I like her name. I'm feeling everything she giving us. All right, and I hope you guys are too. We love an easy slay. We love an easy bob. Shout out to Shannon. Give me scalp. Come on in. You know what I mean? We want to look neat and nice too. Throw her on for a Zoom meeting and go. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I genuinely have nothing else to say. Check out Melted Hairline, Outre's Melted Hairline Collection and Zandra. Mother ain't come to play with y'all. She did not. This was so easy. I don't have nothing else to say. I don't have nothing else to say. Except for this is easy. If you're looking for a beginner unit, this is the one. And I'll see you beautiful mugs later.